In psychodrama, the approach is unique in other ways. One other way it's unique is that we emphasize the importance of play and the importance of spontaneity and creativity. So the founder of psychodrama, Jacob Moreno, his tombstone in Vienna, in German, it says, "The man who brought joy and laughter into psychiatry." So Moreno really believed in the healing power of humor, of play, of joy, and of laughter. His approach is very strength-based and in alignment with positive psychology features. And there's been a lot more research and theories coming out about the importance of play in the trauma healing process. Some have suggested that play promotes a sense of safety, it helps to cultivate relationships, it provides a sense of connection between two people or multiple people. Play gives individuals a sense of control over their environment through the games that are played, and it helps us connect to a sense of joy and aliveness, a spontaneity. So psychodrama's emphasis on spontaneity and role-playing inherently emphasizes the importance of play. In one of my trauma-focused psychodrama research studies, one of the qualitative themes we found in survey responses from the inpatient participants in the group was that they were surprised that they could have fun while doing trauma therapy in the psychodrama group. And this feedback came up multiple times, and it continues to come up in my ongoing line of research on trauma-focused psychodrama, that the participants have fun and enjoy themselves while doing trauma therapy, which isn't always the case for other trauma therapies that can be pretty intimidating and even intolerable at times, have higher dropout rates perhaps. There's an author in 2018, Gross, who has a quote about play and trauma that I thought was just spot on, and I wanted to read it to you. I quoted it in this chapter in the book. Gross writes that, "In many ways, play is the opposite experience of trauma. While play brings about feelings of joy, trauma brings feelings of hopelessness and despair. While play serves to unite us, trauma serves to isolate us. While play motivates us to actively engage in the moment, trauma motivates us to fight and flee from the moment. And while play allows us to control our environment, trauma occurs when our environment controls us. Play has the potential to serve as an antidote and powerful corrective emotional experience to trauma when integrated into the treatment." So psychodrama is one of the approaches and one of the theoretical orientations that explicitly integrates and emphasizes play in the treatment process.